Line fatha. Oh.
Great. All together.
Bala. Oh.
Amazing. Next one.
Fa. Fatha. Fa. Ain. Fatha. A.
Mhm.
Lam fatha la.
Okay. All together.
Fa. Fa'ala.
Good. Next one.
Hamza fatha a. Kho fatha kho and dal so zal
Mhm.
fatha va.
Yeah. Okay, take your time.
A
Yes.
kho
Good.
va.
Good. Now, all at once in one sound. Okay.
Okay.
Try. It's like you need to plus the sounds, three sounds together. Okay, hold on. Let's check here. Don't worry. Okay, right again. So we have a, then we have ha, then we have za. There's an equal. Okay, now can we plus them like in math, like 2 plus 2, like that? What's the answer? Do you know? Well, it's like that. A, ha, za. So a plus ha plus za is a ha za at once. A ha za. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now say it again. Without spell, just pronounce the sound, please. Yep. Okay, then.
A kho za.
Great, good job. Okay, that one. Without spell, don't spell. Just tell me. Ain Fatha sound. What's the Ain Fatha sound is?
A
Ba Fatha sound is?
ba.
Now, these together, pronounce together.
A ba.
Good. Then Sin Fatha sound is?
Sa.
Sa, whistle sound. Again, that sound. Sa.
Sa.
Good. Now, all together, three of them.
A ba sa.
Great, that's really easy. Let's do that one. That sound,
Sa.
that sound.
G.
Okay. Yeah, look at the letter and see the sign.
G.
What is
G.
the letter? No, what is the letter?
The letter is G.
Jim. Yeah, so what's the Jim for the sound is?
Ja.
Cha, good. Together, please.
Sa. Ja.
Good. Then third one.
Okay. Da.
Good. All together.
Sa, ja, da.
All at once.
Saja, da.
Great. Sajada.
Sajada.
It's a test time now. Okay, hold on, please. You have to read that word now. Spelling, okay?
Don't do that. Just move your foot.
What is that letter? Tell me later, please. First, what is that letter? Do you know?
Ha.
Good. That's the second one.
Seen.
Seen. Good. The third one.
Mm,
Okay, it's a dal.
Dal.
Dal. Pronounce the sound, please. What's the ha sound is?
Ha.
Great. Seen sound.
Sa.
Great. Together. These together.
Ha. Sa.
Great. Dal sound.
Da.
Amazing. Now all together.
Ha. Sa. Da.
Wow. You know how to read the Quran, mashallah. Let's do next word. Ready? Ready for next word?
Yes.
I know. Hold on, please. I'm searching the word for you. Easy one. Want to do easy one? Do you want to do easy one?
Or hard one. You want to challenge it.
You can do the hard one for you. Tell him.
I want to do the hard one.
Wow, that's great. Mashallah. But I can see hard ones. All are easy here. It's fine. Okay, that one. What is that letter? The first one.
Ho.
Great. On the middle one.
Lamb.
Okay, the last one.
Cough.
Cough. Good. Okay, let's pronounce the sound. What's the ha sound?
Ho.
Great. Lam sound.
La.
Together.
Ho. La.
Great. Last one. Cough sound.
Ho.
Great. All together.
Ho. La. Ho.
Good job, mashallah. Here is the easy one. What is that letter?
Wow.
Right.
Wow.
Wow again. Okay, that one.
Team.
That one.
Down.
Last one.
Calf.
Here's a calf. It looks like a lamb, it's calf. Okay. Great. Now, sound was wa fatha sound.
Wa.
Another wow fatha sound.
मैंने बोला मोबाइल करो
Wa.
उससे पूछा कि क्या करें
Together.
तो दूसरा
Wa
बोल रहा
wa.
है क्या है
Wow, wow. Okay, then Jim fatha sound.
Ja.
Okay, together.
Wa wa ja.
Great. Dal sound.
Da.
Great. These together.
Wa wa ja. Da.
Great. That one.
Ke.
All together.
Wa wa ja. Da. Ke.
Great. MASHA ALLAH. You can help me to find the words if you want. Here, okay. That please.
Then it's just weird that all her cousins have died.
Yes, that word. Okay. What's the first word? First letter, sorry. What's that letter? Can see it. Can see now.
Yes.
Good. What's the first letter? Okay, just think about it. Try yourself, please. It's a round shape with one dot on the top. Maybe cough, is it? The cough has two dots on it. Meme, ghain, fa. Think about that. What is that letter?
Fa.
Yeah, it is. You know, Masha. That's fa. See the round shape with one dot. Okay, so that's fa. It's a half shape of fa. Okay, the cutted shape. Okay, and then jim, and then ain, and then lam, and then ha again. Okay.
You finished?
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's enough for today because time is up. Time is up now. Both line. Can I give you both line?
Yes.
Like these two lines or just one line?
Uh, two.
Ready? We are going to do fourth one, okay?
Okay.
Yes, fourth kalima tawheed.
Fourth kalimat tawheed.
Do you know it?
No.
Okay, so repeat after me. La ilaha
La ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lahu
la sharika lahu
lahul mulku.
lahu
Okay, once again, lahul
lahul
mulku.
mulku
That's it. Once again, la ilaha
la ilaha
illallahu
illallahu
wahdahu
wahdahu
la sharika lahu.
la sharika lahu.
That's your homework. Okay, just we have 30 seconds, and I like to play the game with my students. Let's play a game very quick, very quick. Who can go first? Do you know how to play that game?
Which one?
Yeah, you can go first. So tell me where you want to put the sign, which box?
In the
Oh,
middle.
okay, that's your sign, that my sign, that your sign, that my sign, and you win. You win, see? Oh, well, you defeated me, so that's me right now. Okay, goodbye. See you, Allah Hafiz.
I love this. Bye.